Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can completely uninstall cursor from Windows. So we'll uninstall cursor, then we'll also delete the hidden files and folder for cursor as well. So first of all, let's go to our Windows search option, then we're going to search our here setting. Then we need to click on app, and here you can see install app. So we need to click here install apps. So here over here you will find cursor. Here you can see cursor. So we'll click on this three dot, then click here uninstall, then click here uninstall again, then click here yes. So this will uninstall cursor from Windows, and there you can see it's done. After that we're going to close this, then we'll go to our folder and we'll go to our local disk C, and in the local disk C we need to find the users folder. Here you can see users folder. So we'll go inside. There you can see we have one more user folder, so we'll go inside again, and here we need to find a folder called cursor. Here you can see we have a folder called cursor. So you need to find the cursor folder. Here you can see, so we need to delete this. So I'll just delete this from here. So once you deleted cursor folder, it means cursor is completely removed from your system. I hope this tutorial was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.